Hello everyone, I'm Othai in the United States. I ordered a new comforter from eBay because I just donate my 2 blankets for winter. I used them about 4 years, and at the beginning they were very comfy, warm, and now I felt itchy because I'm allergic to the hair, the fur. And then I decided to purchase a new blanket, and I got what I ordered. I like it very much. I got it and unpacked. It came in a small box, smaller than I thought, but I doubted that the seller will send me in the vacuum bag because it will be very huge if they not put in the vacuum. Anyway, I washed it right away. The smell afterwards is fresh and good scent as the softener and the liquid detergent I used. I am thinking about getting another one, the same purchase, the same seller, the same design, but I think about, or I order different design and little bit cheaper. I still thinking. I like the design of the front blanket, but I would like different color, light color, plain. And then later on, I got another package which I forgot what did I order. They are the placemats. I ordered them on eBay and takes about a week, shipped from China. I like them too. They are big, oval, sage. I learned the word sage color, light green from eBay. And I set them on the table. Just try and see what they're gonna look like. I have the first set. I just watched it this morning. Cotton, I love them. And now I love the second set too. And my coaster, if you haven't watched my unbox the coaster, please go check. And if you're interested to have them, please make the order on Sasso, my store. All pictures I draw and I print on the coaster. You can visit the Sasso, my store, and see if you like something that I draw and put on the products. Everything looks good. I enjoy and happy this day with everything in the house. Thank you for stopping by. Have a wonderful day. Bye.